Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to log in to Google Docs in 2025. Whether you're a student rushing to finish an assignment, a professional collaborating on a project, or just someone new to Google Workspace, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. Google Docs is one of the most popular tools for creating and sharing documents online, and logging in is the first step to unlocking its full potential. First things first, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Head over to docs.google.com. That's the direct link to Google Docs. If you're already signed into your Google account on that device, you might be automatically logged in. But if not, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your Google email address or phone number in the first field. Make sure it's the one associated with your Google account. Then, hit Next. On the next screen, type in your password. Remember to double-check for any typos to avoid errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security measure, by the way, you'll get a prompt to verify your identity, maybe via a code sent to your phone or email. After successfully verifying, boom, you'll be redirected straight to your Google Docs homepage. Here, you can start a new document, open existing ones, or collaborate with others in real time. One quick tip: if you're using the mobile app, the process is similar. Just open the Google Docs app, tap your profile icon, and sign in if needed. Logging into Google Docs is that simple, even with any minor updates Google might have made by 2025. It's all about staying secure and efficient. If you run into any issues, like forgotten passwords, Google has easy recovery options. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.